Welcome to ChildLine Learning. Let's figure out how to register and pay for a course. Firstly, visit the ChildLine Learning website at learn.childlineTT.org. Log in or create an account by clicking Register. To register, input your name, email address, and password. Once you've successfully registered, you will receive a confirmation email to the address that you've provided. Return to learn.childlineTT.org, log in, and update your profile by including the name that you would like to see printed on your certificate of completion. After creating your account and updating your profile, go to the All Courses section and select any course that is open for enrollment that you would like to take. To purchase your access to the course, click Buy Now, and you will be directed to the order summary page where you will click Place Order. You will receive an email stating that your purchase is being processed, and another email with the details of your order as well as our banking information. Now, all that's left is to complete your payment by bank transfer or go pay directly to the bank through a teller. Send an email to outreach@childlineTT.org with your proof of payment. Please ensure that the proof of payment is visible. Once verified, your payment will be approved and you will be granted access to the course content during the learning period. Please ensure to register within the allocated time. Thank you for choosing ChildLine Learning. See you there.